Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RSII. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30 minutes in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And certainly want to get things updated here as we head into the weekend. And price had a good solid day overall, no doubt about it. But I'm still gonna maybe get a little controversial here, but not, I don't think in a bad way. But it really revolves around this resistance here and whether or not the price has truly broken above it. Now, don't get me wrong. Yes, the price has broken above it multiple times today. In fact, the price slightly closed above it. But me personally, I'm still going to consider this a level of resistance. And the key question in my mind going forward and going into Monday is this right here? Because again, you got to give credit's due. The price did technically close up above 0.013. But is this a true break? Because a true break has two parts. The first part is the obvious one. Well, yeah, price has to break above a certain level. But the second part is, can the price maintain above it? And that's why I'm still skeptical of this one. Because yeah, on two separate occasions today, both here, the price broke above the level, but step one. Step two, couldn't maintain it. So failed, not a true breakout. Later on in the day, once again, price broke above it. So step one complete, but cannot maintain above it. Price fell back below it. Again, the price has now broken above it, has closed above it. And that leads into the question, well, let's see if the price can now maintain above it. So I'm personally going to still consider this a level of resistance until it can show that it's a true break. And a true break is simply just now being able to maintain and stay above it. So, but that'll be the key thing that I watch next week. From an overall chart perspective, though, everything is still perfectly healthy. So I don't want to come across like this is do or die. It's not that at all. I'm just trying to justify what my thinking process is on why I'm not going to, update that and still start calling, that a non-resistance at this point. But again, big picture, the bulls are still putting in higher lows. The price is still well above the purple line there, which is the key level of support, the 50-period simple moving average. And as I've said in past videos, from the big picture perspective, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. So good solid week. We'll see if it can continue to build upon this momentum next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.